can you build a business from passion? I'd love to know both of your opinions. Can you build a business based out of your passion? Have you seen it happen? Have you done it? Have you experienced it?
I would like to say that yes, you can build a business from something you're passionate about, because I've done it. But if you ask me if passion was the only thing you needed, I'd say absolutely not. You need a lot of grit, a lot of determination, because passion is that going to keep you going when things get really rough. Yes, no?
It's an element.
For sure.
What specifically are you passionate about, Kelly?
Shooting boys in the face.
Hello, Kelly. I'm Sean.
Hello there. So in my business, I think what I'm most passionate about, I think I really like dressing up, and I like all the kit, and I like just, getting it all together. And obviously, shooting people with ball bearings is also really, really fun.
One of the things I love about Kelly is her Instagram account with the pictures. Kelly, if people wanted to see these outfits and the photos and what you're wearing, where do they go?
You can go to instagram.com/Femme Fatale Airsoft, or just go onto the app and search at Femme Fatale Airsoft, and you'll be able to see me as a toy soldier. It's worth it. Honestly, it's worth it. Sounds mental.
So what I wanted to say was actually one of the things that inspired us at PopUp in the very early days was Gary Vaynerchuk. And it was Gary Vaynerchuk's wine business that inspired us. And here's a guy, he was incredibly passionate about wine, and he launched a YouTube channel where he filmed himself tasting and reviewing wines. He then promoted it online and built this incredible channel. It took him 18 months to build, but in 18 months he went from 0 to 149,000 followers on Twitter, and his daily wine show was unbelievably successful. And that really struck me that if you can make money drinking and reviewing wine on YouTube, what else is possible? And I think that became a core fundamental principle of PopUp, is uncover your passion, find out what you're into. I don't care what it is. Lego, pizza, skydiving, airsoft, woodworking, doesn't matter what it is. There's a way to make money doing what you love. And if you do that, it doesn't feel as much like hard work. There's always going to be elements. It doesn't feel as much as hard work. Now, I'd love to know, that was the core story for PopUp. And then we've been around the world now, inspiring people. You came to a PopUp, Kelly, and hung out with us. And so that core fundamental principle that you can make money doing something you love, how true do you think that is? And how has that played out for you?
I think it's absolutely true, because I know someone who sells Smurf memorabilia on the internet. They sell it on eBay.
Smurf memorabilia? You mean the little blue things?
The little blue things, yeah. They sell T-shirts. They design T-shirts, get them made up, and then they sell them on eBay. So I think it's definitely true. With me, I didn't think it was possible. I was just doing this for fun, because I was like, there's nothing out there for women right now. I'm a lady. I mean, yeah.
Yes, you are.
I don't dress like one all the time.
Agreed. Agreed.
Yeah. So I was like, I should do something. And then it wasn't until I went to PopUp that I was like, I could actually quit my job and do this.